Now, this is how you can connect your AirPods Max to your iPad, and let's get into it. So, as you know, AirPods of any type have been designed with the intention to be easy to use, and therefore there is no power button on the side of the AirPods, and the way to activate them is by taking them out of the smart case. So that is the first step. The second step is to ensure you have Bluetooth turned on your iPad, so you can open up the settings and ensure that you are in it there. And you can also find the devices right there. So if you have used AirPods Max before, you can click on them and it will be connected again. But if not, just wait for the pop-up to appear on your screen, and if it doesn't appear, then hold both the side button as well as the digital crown for 15 seconds on your AirPods to initiate pairing. After a while, the LED light on the AirPods should blink a different color, and you should get a pop-up on your iPad to connect them. It's literally just a few buttons you need to click, and then you have a properly set up connection. So with that in mind, you can always just track the battery and just have or ensure it's connected. That's how I do it, by looking at the battery widget. So I always keep the battery widget handy, and if the AirPods appear there, I know that they are connected, and I can also see the battery status, so it's really useful that way. But then essentially you are connected, and you can start playing any media like videos or music or whatever, and it will be played through the AirPods. Naturally, you can place the AirPods over your ears to initiate the connection, of course, and you should be good to go. One more thing to pay attention to whenever playing something is that you can get to pick the output. And if you swipe down to access the control center, you can tap on the AirPlay, which is part of the music playback widget. And there you get to pick which audio device will be used. So naturally, you want to choose the AirPods, because you can also pick the iPad speakers or some Apple TV or any kind of third-party Bluetooth speaker in here. But once you have everything set up properly, you should be able to enjoy your AirPods using your iPad. Now that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully I managed to help you with it. If you have more questions or thoughts, leave them below, and I'll see you in the future.